how to give access to a Facebook business page. To do that, what you can do is normally open the Facebook from your Google Play Store by installing it on your device, or you can simply open Facebook on your Google Chrome as well. On the Google Chrome, search for Facebook on the top search bar, and then you can open your Facebook page after that. I've already opened my Facebook page on the Google Chrome. After that, on the top right side, whether it is on the app or Google Chrome, you will see 3 vertical lines. When you tap on this, you will see many options. When you scroll down, just tap on the setting option. And after you tap on this option, just tap on page settings. After you tap on the page setting option, tap on the page access option. And now tap on add new. After tapping on add new, just read the information and then tap on the next button. After tapping on the next button, you can simply search for the name of a person or the email of a person. By doing that, you can give the access of Facebook to the person. So this is how you give the Facebook access page to other person. I hope this video helped you. If you liked our video, then please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.